Are you ready to learn one of the most used rhythms by professional Darbuka players? Today, we're going to talk about a rhythm that once you understand it, will open a whole new door in your Darbuka journey. It's simple, easy, but it sounds amazing and gives a beautiful oriental feel. I'm Majid Aziz, and today we'll learn the Small Masmoudi Rhythm. It belongs to the Maksoum family, and its time signature is 4/4. And hey, if your English is good, don't forget to check the playlist in the description below. It has all my Darbuka lessons in English. And by the way, we're now on TikTok too. Go follow there. You'll find the link in the description below. Now stay focused, because this rhythm is the foundation that you'll build a lot of future rhythms on. Let's get started. The Small Masmoudi Rhythm starts with 2 domes, like this. Then we add a ka, so it becomes. The second part of the rhythm is doom ka, so the full rhythm is. This is the simplified version of the Small Masmoudi Rhythm. It's very easy and perfect for beginners to start practicing on. Play it slowly at first, then increase the speed step by step until you can play it smoothly and confidently. And that was today's lesson about the Small Masmoudi Rhythm. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming Darbuka lessons, and share it with anyone who wants to start learning the Darbuka from scratch. I'm Majid Aziz, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Artists,